Holding in a sneeze might seem harmless, but inside your body, it creates a sudden pressure explosion with nowhere to escape. The force shoots backward through your skull, throat, and spine like a compressed shockwave. Blood vessels in your face begin straining, your jaw locks under pressure, and the bones inside your skull start vibrating unnaturally. As the pressure keeps building, tiny stress fractures can appear around sensitive areas of the neck and inner ear. In extreme cases, the violent internal blast can even damage hearing, rupture delicate tissues, or compress the cervical spine for a split second. Your body designs sneezing as a release valve, and trapping at turns that release into a dangerous internal collision.